Hey, good morning. Good morning, Bubbles. Bella, hey, Bella. Good morning. Good morning. You say hi to everybody? Say hi to everybody, Bubbles. Good morning. Good morning. Just got up a little bit ago, but I was kind of doing some stuff on the computer out here with Bubbles and Bella. Hey, well, they're coming out here with me, I guess. Look at them. Oh, I wanted to come and grab a piece of kale for them. Let's open this up. It's gonna get a little hot in here today. It is hot in here. No, it's actually not bad. The fan's working really good. Got summer lettuce. Looking really superb. Happy with that. Hey, Bubbles, get out of there. Come on. So let's find Bella. Oh, we got some big compost pile here. That's from a couple weeks ago. And then we've got one I just filled up yesterday with grass clippings. So got a new bagger for my mower. So that's been really helpful. Let's come here, girls. Hey. Actually, I'll jump over here and grab some. They don't like chard, so you can see I hard harvested all of my dino kale. The lettuce that's been interplanted is coming along really nicely. But let's go ahead. I think they like premier kale. Well, let's grab some dino kale. This stuff, you can see these mosaic bugs are really doing damage, but the key is with this kind of bio-intensive organic growing. Bubbles, come here. Hey, Bubbles. The thing is that it's a long-term solution. There's no short-term, there's no shortcuts in making things easier and better for our planet and the environment, other than just, going vegan, I guess. But when it comes to farming, gardening like this, I've got a lot of pest insects, mosaic bugs. We've got, well, the aphids haven't come out yet, but I'm sure I'll have aphids. Go in there, come on, Belle. And the key is that they're gonna come, they're gonna populate, but it takes time for those beneficial bugs, those parasitic wasps, the beneficial birds that are gonna come eat those beetles. It takes time for me to build up colonies of those beneficial bugs. So you gotta create environments for them. You have to have the bad bugs so that the good bugs come and have something to eat, and it's all very interplaying, but it's gonna take a couple years. So, but luckily we've got kale in the meantime. Let's give the girls Bella. Good girl. Bubbles. You like the stem, don't you? There you go, Belle. There you go, Bubbles. Last bit for you. All right. Hey. Hey, Bubbles. Say hi to the camera. Well, it's Saturday. I'm not sure what all we're gonna do. Whoa. We're gonna have some fun here on the farm probably. So we love you. Hope you have a wonderful day, and we will see you very soon. See ya.